Atlas Heating and Air Conditioning. Atlas Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated in Augusta, Georgia is your HVAC expert. We specialize in air conditioning systems and heater system repair, installation, and service. We also offer indoor air quality services. Atlas only hires the best technicians to provide fast, reliable service for your home and small business. Atlas Heating and Air is the best HVAC company in Augusta. We proudly serve Augusta and Martinez, Evans Grovetown, Harlem, South Carolina, and the greater CSRA. Atlas Heating and Air strives to make our customers' lives more comfortable and healthier. Atlas Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated, 411 Beverly Rd Augusta, Georgia 30907, 706-855-7921 www.atlasaugusta.com